Hello everyone, welcome to DMT Solutions. This is Maniraj. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install OBS Studio. Then I will show you how to record your computer screen using OBS Studio. Go to browser. Type OBS Studio. Enter. Click on first link. This is the official website for OBS Studio. OBS Studio is open source software for screen recording and it is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. I am using Windows operating system. OBS Studio installer available for 64-bit operating system and 32-bit operating system. Based on your operating system, you have to download. To find your operating system bit, go to File Explorer. Right click on this PC. Go to Properties. Here you can find bit of your operating system. If you have 64-bit operating system, then go for 64-bit installer. If you have 32-bit operating system, then go for 32-bit installer. I have already downloaded OBS Studio installer for 64-bit operating system. To install, double click on this. Click on Next. When you open OBS Studio, you will see this screen. Now we are going to record our system screen. For that, click on this add symbol. Click on Display Capture. If you want, you can rename it. I renaming it as Display 1. Make sure Make Source Visible is enabled. Click OK. If you have only one monitor, then you can click OK. If you have more than one monitor, then you have to select which monitor to be recorded. I am going to record my Display 1. Click OK. Now you can see OBS Studio capturing Display 1. In Audio Mixer, only system audio is recording. If you want to give audio input, then click on this plus symbol. Go to Audio Input Capture. If you want, you can rename it. Make sure Make Source Visible is checked. Click OK. Here you have to select audio device which is connected to the computer. Click OK. Now the input audio device is connected to the system. Now start recording. Here you can see OBS Studio recording your screen. If you want to pause, you can pause by clicking on the pause button. Now you can see recording is paused. To continue recording, click again the pause button. Now you can see OBS Studio again recording the screen. When you click on stop recording, the video will be saved on the specified folder. In desktop, the video is saved.
Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.